Stop saying very. Part 5. Upgrade your adjectives. Welcome to Part 5. Using very actually makes your English weaker. Let's fix that with 10 powerful adjectives. I'm Peter. Let's upgrade. 1. Vast. Instead of the landscape was very vast, better, the landscape was expansive. 2. Helpful. Rather than saying, the information was very helpful, try, the information was beneficial. 3. Peaceful. Don't say, the music was very peaceful. Use this. The music was serene. 4. Poor. Instead of, the company's profits were very poor, say, the company's profits were dismal. 5. Perfect. Rather than, the meal was very perfect, better choice, the meal was flawless. 6. Dangerous. Don't say, the journey was very dangerous. Try, the journey was hazardous. 7. Rich. Instead of saying, the dessert was very rich, use, the dessert was luxurious. 8. Persuasive. Rather than, the speaker was very persuasive, say, the speaker was compelling. 9. Common. Don't say, the mistake was very common, better, the mistake was prevalent. 10. Strange. Instead of, the noise outside was very strange, try this. The noise outside was bizarre. You've just learned 10 more advanced adjectives: expansive, beneficial, serene, dismal, flawless, hazardous, luxurious, compelling, prevalent, and bizarre. These words work great in conversations, emails, and presentations. Hit like if Part 5 helped you level up, and subscribe to Peter Learns English for Part 6 and beyond. Keep learning. See you next time.